2012 Ford F-250 King Ranch plus 2013 Forest River Crusader 355 bhq for sale in Stroud, Oklahoma 74079. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2012 Ford F-250 King Ranch plus 2013 Forest River Crusader 355 bhq. This 2012 Ford F-250 King Ranch pickup is powered by a strong 6.7 liters V8 32 volts turbocharged diesel engine that is mated with an automatic transmission. This luxury Forest River fifth wheel is 39.42 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 11. It has been outfitted with 4 power retractable slides, one 18-foot power retractable awning and the convenience of front and rear leveling jacks. This impressive RV and pickup have been very well maintained, which has enabled great condition. This 2012 Ford F-250 King Ranch plus 2013 Forest River Crusader 355 bhq are perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel and pick up your next home away from home. They come with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of the Ford F-250 include, extra fuel tank shown in pictures not included, 41,900 miles Ford WD air ride suspension, sunroof, heated and AC front seats, rear seat has a gun case under it with locked fifth wheel hitch, Goose neck ball hitch and so much more. Highlights of fifth wheel include, Corian countertops, 3-burner stove/oven, microwave, refrigerator/freezer, double kitchen sink, U-shaped dinette, outside rear kitchen, fireplace, television, surround sound CD/stereo with speakers inside and out, quality leather sofa chairs, 1.5 baths, glass enclosed shower, washer/dryer, hookups, master front king bed, television, sliding mirrored closets, bunkhouse with 3 beds, 2 AC units, 2 entry doors, central vac system, no leaks, clean title and so much more. This dynamic duo is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your camping experiences. This fifth wheel and pickup are priced well below their true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible Ford F-250 and Forest River fifth wheel can be yours.